Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to resize the Shopify checkout button. First, access the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store on the left. Just click it. The themes page opens. Let's go to our theme. Click the three-dot button. A new menu appears. Click on Edit Code. This opens our themes file page. In Filter Files, search for base.css. After searching, you'll see a file named base.css. Click it to open our store's appearance script. All our store's styling code is here. We'll scroll down to the very last line. Just go all the way down. At the bottom, there's a blank line. Skip 2 lines. Next, we'll visit hosttube.net. The link's in the description, and that's where we'll find our code. Just click to copy the code, then head back to Shopify. Paste it into the blank line we left earlier. After pasting, the first line sets the button size. You can set the size as a percentage. The default is 65%. Increase for a larger button, decrease for a smaller one. I'll keep the 65% default. After changing, go to the top right and click Save. Once clicked, changes are saved successfully. Now you can check your cart. Here's the cart before changes. I'll refresh the page. After refreshing, you'll see the checkout button size has changed correctly. I hope this video helped.